Hey, what's happening, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to the Dominoes 7 Show live stream on YouTube and on Facebook. Okay? Alright. So anyway, what I want to talk about is you graduates out there, okay? The high school graduates. Oh, did I do that right? Yeah, alright. I guess I'm live right now. Okay, so anyway, sorry for the delays, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, all right. So let me try again. All right, this is Domino 7. I'd like to welcome y'all to the Domino 7 Show live stream on YouTube and on Facebook. Okay, all right. So what I want to talk about is you graduates out there. Okay. I'm so proud of each and every one of y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm proud of all of you, okay? Graduating from kindergarten, graduating from high school, graduating from college, okay? It's always a nice step, okay? I'm proud of each and every one of y'all. You kindergartners out there that's graduating out of kindergarten, going to the first grade, I want to tell y'all something. You're going to learn math, science, and everything, okay? They'll teach y'all how to do a science experiment when you're in the first, second, or third grade or whatever, you know? So, all I'm saying is take it serious, okay? Take learning serious, okay? Learning is fun and cool, okay? And for you graduates that's graduating out of high school and stuff like that, I'm proud of y'all too, okay? So anyway, as I was saying, your first year of high school is going to be scary a little bit, okay? It's going to be scary a little bit, but the way I think about it, y'all, it's going to be okay, okay? It'll seem scary and everything, so you're going to the first grade and stuff like that. I'm mismatching my speech right now. Sorry about that, y'all, okay? So, what I want to talk to y'all graduates about is being prepared for school and stuff like that. It's gonna be a whole nother level, okay? So, all I'm saying is get y'all education, and remember, all you can say is I know I can be what I want to be, where I want to be. If I work hard at it, then I'll be where I want to be. Okay? So, back to what I was talking about. Okay? So, sky's the limit. Be what you want, have what you want. Okay? So, you get that high school diploma, give $1 for a scholar and stuff like that. You give $1 for a scholar, they'll help you graduate. Get your books and everything. Okay? And all I say when you go to college, take it easy, college graduates, and take it easy, high school graduates, I should say. Okay? So I must say, y'all, that is going to be a new step in life. When you wear that cap and your gown and stuff like that, it's good to smile. You know what I'm saying? So get that high school diploma, walk across that stage, make your parents proud. Okay? That's all I'm saying. Make your parents proud and stuff like that. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, teachers and students, well, students in general, okay? Per pupil or whatever you want to call it, okay? I mean, going to school could seem so scary. Oh, excuse me. Okay, it seems so scary, y'all. But remember, everything will be fine. Okay? So all I say is, all you do is take one step at a time and everything, okay? You can't do the math, always ask the teacher for help. You understand? Once you learn, you're going to succeed, okay? So, for you high school graduates, if you plan on going to college, you can pick any college you want. University of New Orleans, Dillon University, LSU or what's the name of that college in California? Uh, uh, any kind of college, you know what I'm saying? Like like in Bakersfield and stuff like that, you know. So I mean, I don't know them college from the back of my head, you know, because LSU, Suno, whatever you want to call it, okay. I'm kind of messing up my speech right now, you know, okay. You didn't go to school in Colorado and all that, you know, cause you know I love to see you people getting your education, okay? Because all I'm saying is, once you start college, you got to finish it. You have to finish it, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Because I have a lot of confidence in you people, okay? All I want is for all y'all to succeed, okay? All y'all could do, succeed in life and everything. And I'll definitely support y'all, you know what I'm saying? Just like my cousin Riley, my cousin Raven. My cousin Raven graduated out of high school 2 years ago, okay? Went to a graduation party, but she couldn't walk across that stage because of the pandemic, okay? So, all I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen, all you do is try again, okay? Always try, okay? You will succeed, I promise you, okay? All you do, go to school, pay attention to the teacher, stay out of trouble, okay? I know for some of you 8th grade graduates that's graduating out of elementary school, because back in the day, we graduate out of 6th grade or 5th grade, and we go to junior high school, you know? So all I say, y'all, it'll seem scary, but remember, new friends, new school. Remember that, okay? But we're not gonna talk about the negatives on the show, okay? All we're gonna talk about is the positives, okay? So all I'm saying, y'all, get y'all education, get all A's and everything. Go to college, get your college degree, okay? And then you'll be a few steps closer to getting your college degree, and you could be a nurse, a teacher, anything you want to be, ladies and gentlemen. Anything you want to be. So all y'all do is try again, okay? Because when you're in college and everything, I haven't been to college, y'all. I haven't been, okay? So all I'm saying, y'all, once you go to college, it's going to be a different task than high school, you know? You could major in anything you want to do. Business, you want to own your own business. Major in clinicals and stuff like that. You know, medical field or whatever you call that. You know, go to Remington College and everything. I mean, Remington College. I heard of Remington College. That's a wonderful college. You know what I'm saying? Okay, UL. You can go to UL as well. Okay. So you can go to college anywhere you want to be in the United States, okay? So remember, it's going to be a different task, okay? Talking to all kids, you know what I'm saying? Because all I want to see, I want y'all to walk that stage, get your high school diploma, get your college degree, and everything, you know what I'm saying? Because I want to see everybody succeed. You understand? I walked that stage and got my diploma at John McDonald High School. Okay? I graduated in 2003. Okay? So all I want for you people out there is to make it in life. Okay? I want y'all to tell me I can make it. I can do it. Do not say I can't do it. Okay? There's no such thing as I can't do it. Okay? I can do it, okay? That's all I want to hear from y'all. If you're working a part-time job and going to college at the same time, you know, and you got children and stuff like that, All you do is show your kids that y'all can do it. I don't care how old you are. You're in college and you got kids, you can do it, okay? Just like my wonderful friend. I don't know if she want me to mention her name on this show, you know. So you want to go to college for broadcasting? You can do that. You could be a news anchor, a news reporter, or a weatherman. You know what I'm saying? Or you can do your anchorings on Good Morning America, the Today Show, CBS This Morning, NBC News, MSNBC, CNBC, Headline News, or Fox News. Okay? As long as you're educated. Especially you can do broadcasting on CNN. You got to go to school for that, you know, for broadcasting journalism, you know. So you could be a teacher, a kindergarten teacher, a high school teacher, whatever you want to do, you know. So all I'm saying, y'all, you want to be a veterinarian, you could be a veterinarian, okay? Bus driver, anybody could be a bus driver. So get your high school diploma, college degree, and stuff like that. For some of you that don't like working at Burger King or McDonald's or Walmart or something like that. So them jobs is just temporary, especially at Winn-Dixie or Rouse's or anywhere, okay? Especially Kmart. I don't even think Kmart exists anymore, you know? So all I'm saying, y'all, get y'all education and stuff like that. Get your college degree and stuff like that, and I guarantee it, y'all gonna make it. I promise y'all that, okay? So, if you want to drop out of school or whatever, that's on you, okay? That's definitely on you, okay? So remember, y'all, education is the best thing to have. A mind is a terrible thing to waste. You understand? A mind is definitely, and I repeat, definitely a terrible thing to waste. Okay? If college not for you, that's on you, not on us. Okay? All right. So have a career in cosmetology or anything. You know, you want to be a teacher, a principal, or anything you want to be. Okay, you can do it. Okay, you can do it. You want to be a truck driver? You can do it. Okay, I got confidence in every last one of y'all. Okay, that's watching this show. Okay, if you 10 years old, you want to be a nurse, you can do it. Go to medical school. Okay, and I guarantee y'all gonna make it. Okay. Go to school some more, I guarantee y'all gonna make it. I guarantee it, okay? So, I got confidence in all y'all, okay? All right, for you graduates out there, y'all made me so proud. Y'all not my children. And for the people that's around my age, going to college, graduating out of college, I'm proud of you too, okay? Remember, I don't care how old you are, it is not too late. Okay, it is not too late to go back to school, and I promise y'all, and I guarantee it. Okay, y'all gonna make it. You understand? Get your career in something positive. You know what I'm saying? I want to see each and every one of y'all. If you walk across that stage, get your diploma, or get your college degree, or get perfect attendance on anything. I want to see y'all make it. Okay, even if you be actors and actresses and game show hosts and stuff like that, and get your Oscars at the Oscar awards, or get y'all awards at the Emmy Awards, Essence Awards, you name it. Okay, any kind of awards, even the MTV Awards or the BET Awards. Okay, or I don't even know if the VH1 Awards. I don't know if VH1 got VH1 Awards, but I count that too. Okay. So thank y'all for listening, Facebook, okay? About to finish on YouTube, okay? All right? God bless y'all. God keep y'all. All right?